hello there, I didn't see you. Shaun here down at Thompson Chrysler, just doing what most people are probably doing right now, cleaning everything up. Well, I thought I'd take a crack at the back of my minivan here. It's taken me a little while to get it clean, but it seems to be working. I wanted to share with you guys, since we're all kind of stuck at home right now, with a very good car cleaning solution that you can make with stuff laying around the house. I've been working on my van here with it, and it smells great. It seems to be working well. It's not getting all the really deep, dark marks out. I have other more professional stuff for that, but this seems to be doing very well just for a general clean, okay? So here's the recipe. To make this car cleaning solution, take a clean, dry bottle. Add to that a half a cup of vinegar, 1 cup of soda water, half a cup of dish soap, and a third of a cup of lime juice. So, if you guys like videos like this or would like to know more car cleaning tips using stuff just laying around the home, comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see, and we'll try to help you out, okay? So everyone stay safe out there. This is Shaun at Thompson Chrysler signing off.